Today we're gonna do honey apple apricot muffins. All you need is 170 grams of flour, 2 eggs, 100 grams of honey, 3 apples, 2 apricots, the juice of half a lemon, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 pack of baking powder, a little bit of salt, and 100 grams of melted butter. At first, peel and cut the apples as well as the apricots. Put them in a bowl and add the lemon juice. Stir it well and put it aside. Now prepare the dough. Therefore, add the honey to the eggs, mix it, then add the melted butter, stir it again, add then the sugar and the salt, and at last add the baking powder with the flour. Stir all well, add then the apples and the apricots into the dough. Then put the dough into muffin tins, put them then into the oven at 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. Take them out of the oven after they got a golden brown color. Let them cool down and decorate them with what you prefer.